Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about what is Appwrite, introduction to the backend as a service for the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So Appwrite is an open source backend as a service platform designed to help the developers to build secure and scalable web and mobile applications like the Firebase. Okay. Similarity regarding to the Firebase, right? It provides a set of tools and the APIs to handle the common backend tasks like authentication, databases, file storage, and more without the need to write custom backend code. Appwrite allowed developer to focus on building the front end and the logic of their applications while the platform take care of the back end. For the Node.js developers, Appwrite is especially appealing because it integrates seamlessly with JavaScript-based environments and offer a comprehensive set of features of powerful full-stack applications. What are the key features? Authentication and authorization it gives you. Appwrite simplifies the implementation of the user authentication, including features like email and the password login, social login, and the session management. Right now, we have a database management. Appwrite provides NoSQL database that can be used to store and manage your application data. The database supports features like real-time updates and complex queries. File support. Appwrite allows you to upload, store, and manage files with ease. You can upload images, documents, videos, and other media and also serve them securely. Serverless functions. You can run serverless functions on Appwrite using Node.js, allowing you to write backend logic that responds to the HTTP request, database changes, or other triggers. Real-time capabilities. Appwrite offers real-time capabilities like live data synchronization across clients, making it ideal for building the collaborative applications. Now we have a cross-platform SDKs, right? Appwrite offers SDKs for the multiple platforms like Node.js, Flutter, and more, ensuring developers can interact with the backend using their preferred languages and framework. Secure API endpoints. Appwrite handles API security, including JWT-based authentication and role-based access control, helping you to protect your sensitive data and the endpoints. Benefits: ease of integration, no need of infrastructure management, okay, scalability, and the open source. Appwrite is open source, giving developers full control over their backend while providing the flexibility to extend and customize the platform. So this is what the Appwrite is. In the coming videos, we are going to go through the authentication, how to upload the files, images, documents, everything regarding this, what Appwrite gives, right? So be with me. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.